Yes, it's here. It's not uploaded on the website. I tried looking for it in the website and it's not uploaded in the website yet. But courtesy of BlackFriday.com, they do have it. So you guys, I'll give big credits to them for posting it. You got the main event. It says Black Friday. It says Inside Track Club available Monday, November 21st. So as of yesterday, today. So you guys got Tuesday and Wednesday for Inside Track Club members, and then everyone else saves from Thursday through Monday. So everyone else from November 24th, which is Thursday, 25th, 26th, and 27th and 28th. So and then Inside Track Clubs, they do get early access. I personally just wait, but unless you really run like a specific color on a cart like this, or a specific color on something else, then you might want to get the Inside Track Club membership and shop early. But other than that, you should be fine. I mean, if you have multiple stores at your city, then you should be fine. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribing and like. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, so starting here, we got the Pittsburgh 3-ton low profile floor jacks rapid pump. I personally do have the Daytona version of this thing. This thing's a beast. I really do like it. My brother has another Daytona. He already has several different years with it. I already talked to several different auto shops and tire shops, and they swear by these things. They use them all day, every day, and they're pretty good. They know what they're doing. So yeah, these are solid. Definitely check it out. It is one of the best deals from my point of view. $119, you can't go wrong with this price. It's hard to get this price now these days. So $119, if you think that's expensive, that is cheap, because it is the low profile. If you guys don't know what the low profile is, if you got short, lowered vehicles, or newer vehicles, the newer cars are lowered to the ground. It's hard to get under there, and plus the lower profile jack actually lifts higher than a normal jack. Right, so we got the Predator generator for $779. Yes, these are crazy expensive, but now they dropped it to $779. It's not too bad. I know we've seen better deals out there, but they're just like one in a lifetime type of thing. And you're not gonna see the deal that you used to see before. So $779 is gonna be the lowest on that one. $20 on the reciprocating saw. If you're a DIY, you don't want to invest in a tool, battery platform, then this is gonna get it done for lighter duty use. Just DIY stuff. This $20 should get the job done. The blades I wouldn't trust, though. I would get some fresh Diablo go to Home Depot or Lowe's and get yourself some nice reciprocating saw blades. Even here, I believe the Hercules and the Bauer are pretty decent. I don't know about these. I don't know. I couldn't recommend those. Alright, you got the Easy Flux 125 welder. This is $169. It's going to be one of the cheapest and best. If you want to put two pieces of metal together, this is probably going to do its job. And you're going to learn to weld and all that stuff. So this is a good little starter machine. I mean, you're not going to get the best welds out of this thing. Obviously, if you're starting out, not even, you're not going to. But this will get the job done, basically. Alright, so you got the Portland. I've used this before. This thing's a beast. The only down thing, or thing that I don't like, is that you do have to carry an extension cord. But then again, very inexpensive at $49. Like I said, same thing with this one, extension cord on that. Alright, so you got the 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics, guys. They dropped it. So this is a really good deal on this one. I would definitely recommend it. If you were waiting for that cart, go get them, guys, because who knows when we're going to see this price again. I personally been seeing the $200 range ever since I got mine for $149, I believe I got it for. And I never saw it for that price again, like ever again. And for the longest time, it was $200, and then they raised the price to like 280 something, or there we go, 289. which is ridiculous. $219. I would definitely pay for that. This thing's worth it. This thing's great. Even the professionals use these little carts. Like I said, let us know down in the comment section, guys, if you guys got any of these tools. Whether you liked it, you hated it, you think it's trash, you think it's really good tools. Let us know that in the comment section. I'm sure you would help somebody else, make a decision whether to get it or to not to get it. All right, so you got the earthquake. These are solid. The only down part on these is they're air, so they're not battery. The battery tools, we'll go over them in a second if there's any here. So $99.99 for that one. This is a solid deal here on this lamp. If you guys, got in a garage or you have a port or a carport or something, this is great for that. $16.99. That's a great deal. It is 5,000 lumens, 4 feet, hanging shop lights. You got some batteries. The blue ones, I think that's a really good deal for the blue. The blue ones don't even buy the yellow version of these. The blue ones are the ones to go. All right, so you got the tool case with their 100. This case kind of cheap. The tools are kind of cheap, but for a truck, for emergencies, that's fine. It should work. For emergency situations, I save so many people, letting borrow some sockets or pliers or whatever they needed with this kit, and it's been solid. There's a little rust on the tools, obviously, because they've been sitting there forever, but they probably have like 10 years already in there. So, all right, so we got this is a TV wall mounts. Heard nothing but good things about these, so yeah, trust them, guys, because they do make metal and they do make it pretty strong. So $29.99 up to 80 inches. That's a solid platform, a solid mount there. You got a 12,000 winch. This is not going to be the upgraded model. Just keep that in mind. They do have an upgraded model, which is the Apex, the Badland Apex or something like that. This will definitely do its job, but if you want to, if you do a lot off-roading a lot, just go with the better one they offer. You're going to pay $200 more, but if it's on sale, it's usually around $500. So I would definitely go for the other one. But you know what? If you just have it for every once in a while, I think this should be fine. This is a 4K single cable wired security system with terabyte. I don't know about this one. I haven't used that. So these magnetic, these are great, guys. If you guys haven't checked out my video, I did a video a long time ago, about a few years, ever since I started YouTube, I guess. I don't know if you guys want to go back on it, but yeah, I actually put two of these back to back together. What I did is I screwed them. I put a screw on this side and a nut on this side, like a screw and nut, basically on both sides, and I screwed them back to back and just stick them to your toolbox. That way you don't have to drill into your toolbox, but you actually do need two of these. So if you guys want to check out that video, it's an old school video, and I do apologize for the quality. It's not the best back in the day. And if this thing loads up, we can move on to the next page. There we go. Oh yes, guys, remember I was telling you guys about the upgraded winch? Well, here it is. This winch is one of the winches that everybody uses, as in YouTubers, the off-road community. This winch is pretty much in every YouTube channel, almost in every YouTube channel out there. And I can't click on it some reason. But this is the Badland Apex. This is one of the best, or the best ones that they have. It is a 12,000 winch, so it's $589. Let's go a little faster here. All right, so we got the 9,500 watt generator. This is an all-house quiet generator. This is a great price, guys. This is a great price. They're knocking $400 off. This is the 9,000 watts. This is not the quietest, but it is solid. Anything that's a generator, like a Predator with the Predator engine on it, it's solid. I've used their engines. I do own a few, especially this one, the 212cc. It's a beast. And I've used several of their generators. I own them before and they've been fine. So long as you guys put stable on the fuel, that should be fine. All right, this light, guys, this is the famous, the magnetic light bar light here at the mechanics. 17, I still have mine from several different years. Yeah, it flickers because it's really old now. This is gonna, last you a few years. This is a great light for 17 bucks. It is rechargeable. These, I don't know. I heard a lot of negative about these that, they don't start. But, like I said, let us know that in the comment section if you own any of these tools. A lot of people want to know if they're actually good. These, they seem to be pretty good quality. The only thing I don't like is the latching system. It's kind of flimsy and it's kind of like all over. It's like it's gonna break. That's what it feels like. If you want to go into the store and just try it for yourself, and you can make a decision on that. But I think the latching part's kind of flimsy. Everything else seems to be pretty solid. It's very different than the other box the 5-drawer toolbox because the other one I used to own. This one, I wouldn't buy it personally. You got a ladder here for $109. If you guys waiting for a Black Friday deal on a ladder, there it is. It's a great heat gun there. Some tie downs, nice tie downs, cheap. I use this chuck, this wheel chuck. Where's the next? Oh, there it is. All right, we got another jack. This is the Daytona 3-ton low profile Super Duty floor jack. This is the one that my brother has. This thing's a beast. He's been using it for a few years. He likes it. We got the 3-ton heavy duty ratcheting jack stands, $31.88. You guys know that they did have a recall on their previous version of jack stands. Then whatever they did, they fixed the problem obviously, and now they're coming up with their version, the Daytona version, which is the best ones. For $31.99, this is a really good deal. We've seen them in Home Depot for like 29 bucks. I don't know if they still have them for 29 bucks, but this is a really good deal. Here's a toolbox, $13.99. I don't know if this is cheapest. I haven't kept track of the prices on these, but according to here, they're it was $16.99. They're dropping it to $13.99. All right, you got a crane, or portable vehicle ramp. Oh, that's a ramp set. Here's the crane here for $249. Solid deal on these. Me and my brother used these crane for engines, moving up engines, transmissions, all kinds of stuff. These work fine. These I heard nothing but good things about these. I personally do have one of these and it works fine. But you know what? These are for DIY. I pull it out to do my oil changes once every couple months. And it's been working fine. I'm not the lightest person, but it works fine. I would definitely recommend this for the DIY. Very inexpensive. All these, they should be fine. A lot of these, the Maddox, that's the newer version of these. They should be fine on also. So if you guys do your own, your own services for your vehicle, these tires with hubs, I've used them before. Just put a little bit of slime in there and you should be fine. That's what I do with mine, with my dolly, my hand trucks and dollies and all that stuff. All right, so we got some Bauer. So this impact wrench is pretty good. If you don't want to invest into a platform like this is very inexpensive. 60 bucks will get you going. But then again, I personally would invest either Bauer or Hercules. I would definitely go for Hercules if you have the money. But something like this will get you going. Same thing with this drill. This drill's fine. Obviously, it's a DIY brand. It'll get you going. It'll get you there, and it'll get the job done. The batteries are very inexpensive at $49. I think they have an add up. If you buy 2 of them for like 34 bucks or something, it's for a 3 amp hour battery. All right, you got the Hercules, $349. I mean, these are fine. But guys, there's so many deals up right now at Home Depot and Lowe's. For this amount, or around this amount, you can get a DeWalt miter saw and a free jack stand, or a free miter saw stand at the Lowe's and at the Home Depot. So I would definitely stay away from this one, at least for these deals, because they do got some great deals at the Home Depot and Lowe's. But other than that, if you guys, down the year and you see this price again, then jump on it, because this is a solid saw. Same thing with this. I think I'm gonna pick myself the Ultra Torque because it is down 20 bucks. And then this battery, guys. This battery is down to $69. Is an 8 amp hour battery. That's a killer deal on this one. I think I'm gonna pair up these two and just get them for the channel here. Even this one, check this out. A 12 amp hour battery. How much is a 12 amp hour battery from Milwaukee? Like $250 something. But check this out. You're getting the same cells because they are Samsung cells. You know, everybody's done like a tear down, and we know that these are quality batteries. And it's down to 109 on the Black Friday deal. That's a killer deal on this. And these are high output batteries, extreme performance that they call it, but you know, they are high output batteries. Killer deal on those. Let's see what else. This Warrior, I don't know. I haven't used it. Sometimes the ratings are not correct, so I know that sometimes they mess with it. Welders are solid, guys. I heard nothing but good things about these welders. Let's see here. You got the Jackery. I need to get myself something like this. I don't know if I'm willing to spend $249 for it though. You got the Cobra, a security system with 1 terabyte storage. $179. I don't know. I would have to try this out. I personally have the ones that, you know, the camera and the light, the security light on it. I already have several different videos on those. And I do like them. I mean, they work. The only thing that is, if you don't have internet, you're not going to look at it on your phone if you don't have Wi-Fi. All these hand tools are fine, like this one, the pry bars. Let's see, let's go all to the next one. They got a Quinn Master Technicians 420 piece to $329. It's not a bad deal. I mean, there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of wrenches and sockets and all kinds of stuff. I don't know. These might be ratcheting wrenches. I would have to look at this. See if we're just clicking on it. See if it'll take us to the... Yeah, it's not going to take us to the thing. Alright. So it's not going to take us to it. I would have to look at this. But it looks really good from what I'm looking at. This is a little pricey though. $329. I don't know if I would pay that much. Alright, so you got the Quinn. This is the 66 piece, $44. Decent. This one, I've used it before. I do own it. This thing is solid. This is the one I want to get. Hopefully I can get my hands into it this year. It's down to $59. Got the gold, special edition gold plated ratchet for 49 bucks. These are nice. I don't know how well they, if the quality is, but these are nice. 59 bucks. I've used their wrenches before. The solid for $5.99. You're not going, you know, you should be fine. So, and they are lifetime warranty. You can just take it into the store and swap it out. You got the cordless 18 gauge brad nailer to only $84. I haven't used this before, but I would think it'll just look like the Ryobi one. You got the tactical folding knife. I gotta get myself one of these. $9.99. Get the machete, $4.99. Alright, let's see, 10% off. Black Friday sale, the main event. So I do have the credit card. If you want to combine the, and then you got 5% back, 0% interest on $2.99 or more. It looks like that's it. Yes, guys, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right here. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make Macbook review videos, and so you guys won't miss any of the Black Friday deals that are coming up. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.